Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha and I hope that everybody's doing good, and I will show you how to create this gorgeous colorful makeup which I created for Holi. So let's get started without further ado.
First, I'm using the Laura Mercier powder to prep my skin and of course to prevent fallouts from the eye shades. And now it's a tough task. So I've decided to use this blue eye shade. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I've actually fixed this eyeshadow palette, and if you want to know how, go to my main video in the related section and you can see how gorgeous it's looking. So I've used it all over my lid, and on the outer corner I have selected this pink shade. It's a really pretty glittery light pink shade. So basically I created this makeup for Holi, which is a very artistic sort of a makeup, and have used the gold shade on the inner corner of my eyes now, and now dragging it towards the middle part. It actually creates a depth into the eyes and make it pop more and make it look bigger as well. And now some green on the brow bone, but I have not used it like on my full eye. I've just used it from the inner corner to the middle part, and now using the same blue eye shade on the lower lid, again on the half lid. And of course the key again is to use feather like hands and start with the light quantity. And now because it's a Holi makeup, so I have like used this eye shade on the temples so that it looks like I've played Holi when I haven't. And I'm just like dotting the temple with the blue eye shade and now some pink to match the look from the eye, and now some white in order to pop it more, bring some contrast into these colors. And then I got more creative and I just crushed some eye shade and just put it with this nail filer. And now using some gold, and you can see that how it looks like as if someone has threw some colors on me when they haven't. And now I have just got more creative, so I used this dandelion flower petals and just take it out and mixed it in with a secret ingredient, Vaseline. So sticked it with Vaseline on my temples like so, and it looks so pretty, and the makeup is done.
So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care of yourself.